Hi there, I'm Nick Katin. You're on nickkatin.com. This is a blog or website, whatever you want to call it, about travel photography. Travel photography means a lot of things to a lot of people, but let's have a quick scroll through some of the pictures I've taken over the years. Some of these are pretty much from the same area, but that doesn't matter. This one's from Yosemite, this one's Arizona, and then we've got the Italian Alps, Cuba, the French Alps, and then you've got more Cuba, Yosemite National Park again, Cuba, Yosemite, Cuba, and the Swiss Alps. It doesn't really matter where they come from, it's the quality of what they are and what they mean to you when you've taken them. If they're really good, you'll never forget where you've been. I'll never forget Cuba. This one was taken in Cuba. And I'll never forget Death Valley National Park in the US. These are unique places, and if you don't capture them right, then you'll never remember them as I can remember these. So if you're looking to get a bit organised, take some good travel photos, maybe even stick them on your wall, share them around, or even to sell them, well, you come to the right place. There's a couple of boxes on this page where you can sign up. I'm sure there's a pop-up about to float through that you can sign up. Sign up and you'll get my travel photo tips newsletter. And that newsletter is not available anywhere else. You won't find that on this website. You'll only find it through email. Additionally, I also give you what we call a lead magnet. So that could be an ebook. I'm looking at checklists as well. There's lots of different lead magnets available on this site. You only have to have a quick look, and down below you'll see that. So again, if you're looking to take some great photos that you can be proud of, that will bring back memories to you, that will enable you to possibly share them without being ashamed, or even to sell them, you've come to the right place. Sign up and I'll talk to you on the other side. Thanks for watching.